that the future of the power industry in India is going to be driven by renewable energy and dominated by solar energy. With increased adoption of automated and robotics, our new factory is at par with some of the leading manufacturing companies across the world. We are proud to announce that with the commissioning of this plant, Premier Energies is the second largest integrated facility in India and the largest in South India. On this same day, as our chairman sir said, 29 July 2017, we had the honor of Sri KTR Garu inaugurating our existing plant at Anaram village. On that day, 4 years ago, we had announced plans for construction of a gigawatt facility, and we had approached Telangana Industries Department for allocation of land. We had been given an assurance by Minister Garu that our request will be considered positively. True to his words, we were allotted this land on fast-track basis. We thank you, sir, for the trust you had in our company, and we are proud to have achieved construction of this plant within 18 months of land allotment. I may sound biased because I'm born and brought up in Hyderabad, but I would like to mention that the seamless way in which the whole process was completed, from allocation of the land to the ever-famous TS iPass. For our guests who have come from outside Telangana, TS iPass is one of its kind. It's beyond single window. Any industrialist who wants to set up a mega project in Telangana needs to just apply, and in 15 days he needs to get an answer with a yes or a no. If he doesn't get an answer, on the 16th day, the government gives a deemed approval. Such a scheme is novel and only in Telangana. For all of us who know Minister Garu as Ramanna, we are thankful to you, Ramanna, for the ease of doing business in Telangana. Construction of this greenfield project in record time, despite 2 COVID waves, was a great challenge, and this would not have been possible without the unwavering support of our premier family members and our committed vendors. They all worked through the pandemic relentlessly. We thank you all for your support in construction of this facility. This may go out of context, but I would like to mention an incident which happened with me yesterday. I had invited my brother-in-law, who's a doctor in Delhi. He's here today. Yeah. So, 24/7 working on COVID patients, and invited him for this inauguration. And he told me, I will try to make it. But yesterday, he sent me a WhatsApp video. He said, I got this video in my school group, Springdale's Delhi school group. And the video says, look at this politician. He's better than most of our CEOs. And that was a video of KTR Garu with Tim Cook. And in 5 minutes, he told me, I'm coming. So, sir, you are not just attracting investment into the state, you're also attracting doctors to come and listen to you. I would like to thank our term loan lenders, IREDA, for financing our expansion, our working capital bankers, SBI, ICICI, PNB, and HDFC, for supporting us at each step. I would like to thank Mentor Management Services, Dhruv Sharma is here, who stood with us and supported us in getting this plant up and running. So today, on 29 July 2021, 4 years from 2017, we again would like to announce, sir, that we wish to expand and grow this base from 750 megawatt per annum to a 3000 megawatt per annum plant. This expansion will result in employment creation of additional 2,000 jobs. We need your continued support, Minister Garu, and we assure you that we will continue to work towards adding latest technology and make Telangana a solar manufacturing hub. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like you to meet Mr. Sudhir Reddy, Director of Premier Solar Power Tech. He is a perfect multitasker and the engineer behind this new facility. Sir, I'd request you to address the gathering.
Thank you very much. A very good afternoon to all the respected dignitaries and guests who have come to grace this occasion. This ambitious project of setting up an integrated facility of 750 megawatts started as a thought in 2017 and crystallized as a project in 2019 when Government of Telangana allotted land and incentives for the project. The Government of Telangana, particularly the Industries Department, led by our 24/7 working Minister KTR Garu, incidentally his birthday is also on 24/7. He has believed in local entrepreneurs like that, us. In 2017, we were a very small company. We were doing well, but at that point of time, a lot of companies had taken land and have never executed the projects. But in 2017, he had the good heart to believe in local entrepreneurs like us and said, okay, let's go ahead with the project and allocate them. That is a leap of faith he has taken in us, which I'm very thankful to you, sir. So here we are today. We have not only kept your faith, we have executed this project in a record time and also created a world-class infrastructure and a manufacturing facility that India would be proud of. This has been possible because of the tireless efforts of not just the Premier team, which I'm extremely proud of, but also committed effort of some of our partners like Kirby, BKTS Associates, ZCon Consultants, Deekshika Constructions, UHP India, Membrane India, Weathermakers, Zoe, Metechno India, Vigneshwara Electricals, and many other vendors who supported by Jupiter team who, despite the pandemic, restrictions on movement and social distancing norms and the fear that was there, never left the project site, and they patiently waited for an opportunity to get back and start the work on the site. I must thank JS sir in this context, because if it weren't for him, we wouldn't have been able to complete the project, because he was able to give us a waiver and let all the industries work even during the pandemic. This facility today hosts one of the best-in-class technology for manufacturing of high-efficiency monoPERC cells of M10, M12 size. This facility also hosts one of the most automated solar module manufacturing line capable of handling the latest half-cut and bifacial modules, which are the latest in module technologies, and also help us compete with the best in the world today. I hope that as we build more scale in the next few years, supported by the government, we shall compete on the world stage and make a mark for Indian products. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. A trailblazer and an expert in legal and commercial taxes, she brings with her rich, on-ground experience in indirect taxation and government regulatory affairs. I am pleased to call upon Ms. Revati Rohini, Director at Premier Energies. Over to you, ma'am.
Respected guests on the dais, dignitaries of the dais, and all the members of my Premier Energies family here. It's indeed a proud moment for all of us, and really I am amazed at the transformation that has taken place. I still remember 2 years ago we got this land from government, full of hillocks and clusters of stones here, and today really amazed to see this transformation happening here, and I'm feeling really proud of myself to be part of this great organization. Sir, I feel greatly privileged to acknowledge the great support that we got from the state and central government departments and their teams, and really they helped us making this happen, sir. And Honorable Sir, it was really not easy, sir, against the background of pandemic and also the India and China standoff that happened, where we could not get the technical support and the consultancy services from China, from where we actually purchased our machineries. Our girls and boys stood up to the requirements, and they worked and they burned the midnight oil and made this happen, sir. And I use this platform to congratulate all of them. And sir, I also will be failing greatly in my duty if I don't acknowledge the tremendous support and the monumental support that we got from Industries Department, particularly Jayesh sir and TSIC MD Garu, who gave us hand-holding and they practically pampered us, and without allowing us again to flout any government regulations. And so much of pampering, like parents, they gave us hand-holding. Every time when we went to them, they would be ready to help us, really taking off time from their hectic schedule, sir. I'm really very emotional to share this. And we were always feeling very supportive and not to get scared of anything. Jay sir is there, Venkatam Reddy sir is there, he'll take care. That was always the spirit with which we moved forward. And then, sir, the other supporting departments like water, pollution control, fire, explosives department, and ILA, they were all so sincere in helping us, and services were rendered to us at the doorstep. And sir, it is not an exaggeration if I mention that some of our consultants who came from outside outside Telangana and also outside country, and some of our consultants and vendors, they were really zapped to see the way we got all the approvals as per the timelines. And I don't think, sir, any state can think really boast of a better facility for business, doing business. The atmosphere that is set in here, it cannot be better than the state of Telangana, sir. I feel proud to be part of the state and work in this company. And sir, I want to volunteer on behalf of Premier Energies that we will be the torch bearers for solar energy in our state, and we'll take the state forward in this regard. And also, we'll be the brand ambassadors for Make in Telangana, along with Make in India, which is the slogan of our country, which is the vision of our Honorable Chief Minister, sir, K. Chandrasekhar Rao Garu. We are working because seeing is believing, sir. You're all seeing it happen, and we will expect the same support in future. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. IREDA has provided support by timely financing all expansions. I would now like to request Shri Pradeep Kumar Das, Chairman and Managing Director of Indian Renewable Energy Development Agency, IREDA. Sir has a vast experience in the finance sector. Over to you, sir.
Namaskar. Honorable K.T.R. Rao Garu, Madam Sapta Reddy Garu, and respected dignitaries in the dais. Perhaps this is not a platform where the banker has to talk, but I'll just simplify my talk that where we are sitting today, the land and facilities, what is provided by, that is provided by all. And the project term loan, what is given, the entire term loan, the project term loan was given by IREDA, which I am representing. But most important thing is that what I realized here, the idea, that thought, that intellect, what three generations of Salujas are doing here. Senior Saluja, Mr. Chiranjeev, and the daughter. I really admire their passion and commitment towards this work. Probably for today anchoring, they could have hired some anchor, but they have ensured that the daughter is there. That means her commitment to the organization is also there. I've also seen Mrs. Saluja. If every entrepreneur will adopt this concept and philosophy and culture, not only Telangana, entire India will grow. Not only IREDA will support the Premier Group, we have lended almost 888 crore, 888 crore to the group. And they are here with us since 22 years. If you look at banking industry history, where people take money and then they get into NPA in due course, they are one of the lenders who has always ensured the timely payment and all. And once Mr. Saluja told me that even if I get 50 bips or 100 bips higher interest rate outside, I will not leave IREDA, I will continue with the IREDA. Because I am quite satisfied with the IREDA's kind of support, kind of handholding, kind of understanding of the sector. Sir, since this is a platform where I can also communicate to you what IREDA is. IREDA is mother organization for renewable energy development in the country through financing and also playing the role of nodal agency of Government of India for all kind of supports, policy development, subsidy and benefits, etc., etc. So now we are, Government of India has already notified a PLI scheme, we are the nodal agency there. Already that GPI scheme, we are the nodal agency. CPSC bidding scheme, we are the nodal agency. The aim of Government of India is 450 gigawatt of renewable energy by 2030, which is in line with the commitment to Paris Convention. Government of India and MLRE and IREDA is working very strongly in that. Today the IREDA's size is around 28,000 crores. So Telangana state itself is having 4,200 crores of exposure in the book, which signifies the kind of relationship IREDA is having with Telangana state, not only government as well as private both taken together. So we are planning to grow in 5 years, 5 times to 1.35 lakh crores, which confirms in line with the Government of India's goals of 450 gigawatt. Sir, in this aspect, not only the banker and lenders or developers, the biggest role, the ultimate value chain in the power segment, that is the distribution sector, transmission sector and generation sector, they have to play a crucial role in reforming the thing. Whereas this NPA and regular payment issues will not be there. We are very fortunate that we do not have such kind of issue with the Premier Group. As I told, we have already extended them some 800 crores. That confirms to our relationship with them and commitment with them. Today our maximum capacity to export to any group is roughly 900, almost they have adjusted. The kind of growth now he has announced, since we have the plan to grow in next 5 years 5 times, we will be there with the group again in future, the time to come. And I am sure the kind of commitment the Saluja family is having here, the kind of support the government of Telangana is giving, in the time to come they will be further living up to the expectation of the Honorable Minister as well as the state of Telangana. I'll just inform, I was fortunate to work in this part of the state when it was undivided Andhra. I worked in Vizag, BSPB. నాకు కొద్దిగా తెలుగు తెలుసు, పూర్తిగా తెలీదు. Otherwise I would have happy to talk in Telugu here. Thank you very much. All the best.
Thank you, sir. I'd like to request Srimati Survi Vani Devi Garu, MSc, just for the knowledge, who is also the daughter of our ex-Prime Minister, late P.V. Narasimha Rao Garu. It is our privilege to have you here today, ma'am. Over to you.
గురుభ్యో నమః, శివాయ నమః. వేదికను అలంకరించిన మన ఐటీ శాఖ మార్చుల గారు కేడి రామారావు గారికి,